Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this infinity ring here. All you need is some 18 gauge wire, a ring mandrel, some pliers, and a little patience. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Let's get started. I'm going to use 18 gauge wire today, and for that infinity design, I'm going to pull off about 4 inches. This end we're going to tuck in the middle. Gonna make a loop around the base of my round nose pliers. And that's going to be an outer loop. You're going to come around and make an inner loop, which is slightly smaller. Gonna line that up with this wire. And make an inner loop. But you're gonna have to feed it through the first loop, so kind of undo that a little bit. Gently bend it. And feed it through. Shape this loop so it fits inside the larger loop. And now bring this around. You're going to make the outer loop on this side. Take some practice to get your loops the size is right. But then these ends are going to be tucked in. Out of sight. Just like that. Through the loops. You don't want any sharp edges on the back here, so you want to make sure they're flush cut and tucked in nice. So that's the top of your ring. And then I'm gonna grab some more 18 gauge. Another 4 inches. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it out with my nylon jaws. That's just to harden it a little bit before I put it on the mandrel, but you can always pound it with a rawhide mallet to do that as well. Or grab your mandrel, kind of determine what size you want. I think I'll make a size 7. Bring that around, bring your ends up. Then you're gonna feed on your infinity. But your infinity needs to be kind of shaped around the mandrel as well. And then bring your wires over the top to kind of shape everybody. I'm going to cut these guys short. It's sliding up to a size 8, so if that happens, bring it down to where you want it. I'm going to pull some of the wire out again. Let me take this off real quick. Straighten everybody out. Tighten things down. Put it back on the mandrel and start tapping again. Tap your ring shank as well to harden it up really nice. Check your shank. If you find that it's crooked, you can tap it flat on something. Just make some minor adjustments. So that turned out really cute. You can oxidize it if you like. Polish it up, buff it up. This will look really nice tumbled. So I think I'm done. Alright, so that's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.